Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background and split your video in CapCut PC. It's really nice and really important informations that you have to know, that you should know. So now let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. So what we have to do first is to import our video. So I'm just going to import a video. You can also just open your file, your folder where you have your videos or images, and then just drag and drop your videos in the media pool right over here. So now that's what I'm going to do. So here I have the video. I'll just drag and drop the video in the timeline, and here now I like to remove the background. So to remove background, what you have to do is to click on cut out here, but make sure you selected your video and then click on cut out, and here select auto cut out. That's one way. Wait for this process to complete. Okay, let's wait for this process to complete. And while we're waiting, also let me show you how you can split your videos or your video, how you can cut your video. So what you have to do is to click on the video, and then you can click on here. There's a couple of options. You have delete, and you also have split. Click on here. This will split your video, and you can also use the shortcuts Ctrl+B. I'll use Ctrl+B, and now as you can see we have two videos. If you want to redo, if you want to undo, you can click on undo here or Ctrl+Z, or you can also click on redo, Ctrl+Shift+Z. All right, now we have two videos. I'll move this video on top of the other one, and the process is completed for this one. And now if we want to see how it looks like, we can add some color, white background, and it looks really nice. We don't have the background anymore, and for this one you can add here color, and we don't have the background. We have some lighting, a small part of some light problem, some editing problem where cut out didn't cut that portion, but it's fine. You can mask that portion, but now that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and now I'll see you in the next CapCut tutorial. Take care.